Let's try it again. At the station.
At the station, several passengers and waiters. Here comes Toby to get them all up.
Engine number 7 to pick them all up. Yeah.
Duck, engine number 8.
The railway is busy today.
The railway is busy today. Duck, engine number 8, goes to the yard to get more cars for the other trains. On the way, he passes 8 signals. Donald.
The last drop of the day is for
Donald. Engine number 9. Donald's driver loads 9 shovels.
9 shovels.
9 shovels onto Donald's
Full of
coal onto Donald's tender.
Yeah, almost there. After a
I can do. After a long day's work, Douglas, engine number 10, heads to the shed. All 10 engines. Thomas, Edward, Gordon,
Henry,
Gordon, James, Percy, Toby, and Donald,
and Douglas.
Deserve a rest.
Awesome. Thank you, Andre. That was wonderful.
And there's a Toy Story one. I want to read that one.
They're pretty cool, hey?
Yeah.
Who do you say thank you for these books to?
Tita Isa.
Yes, can you please blow her a kiss? Shout out to Tita Isa. Ooh, ooh. Ciao.